Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, you will learn and write essay on importance of financial literacy for Viksit Bharat. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. This is a very trending topic and is very important for exam point of view. So you must learn the concept and you can add and subtract some of the points according to your opinions as well. Now let's start. Importance of financial literacy for Viksit Bharat. Financial literacy basically means the ability to handle money sensibly. Along with other skills, it includes saving, investment, budgeting, and avoiding debt. For a Viksit Bharat, that is developed India, financial literacy is the most important for India. A literate population in terms of finance helps the economy grow. If people know how to save and invest, then the future is secured and they are able to contribute towards developing their country. Small businesses and startups also grow when people understand financial management. This creates more jobs and reduces poverty. Education on banking, loans, and investment is still a lack in many parts of India. Due to which it leads people to debt or fraud traps. By teaching financial literacy from a young age, we can prevent such problems. Schools, colleges, and workplaces should include financial education to help people make smart financial decisions. Financial literacy also empowers women and rural communities. When women manage money wisely, they can support their families and start small businesses. Farmers can use financial knowledge to take better loans and increase their profits. The government is working on many programs like Jan Dhan Yojana, Digital India, and financial inclusion to improve financial awareness. However, more efforts are needed to educate every citizen. Financial literacy is the key to a strong and self-reliant India. If every Indian understands how to manage money well, Viksit Bharat will become a reality soon. Let us all learn and spread financial knowledge for a brighter future.